Top 20 cryptocurrencies sorted by market cap. Investors in cryptocurrencies had a fantastic year in 2021, just as they did in 2020. Despite the market's volatility, most people were optimistic about cryptocurrencies. Meme currencies, altcoins, and NFTs exploded in popularity in the preceding year. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are the most popular topics in cryptocurrency, with business titans like Elon Musk frequently defending their choices. Mr. Musk, known for his cryptic tweets about the cryptocurrency industry, first backed Dogecoin before switching to Shiba Inu. Even though the world was again preoccupied with finding solutions to the COVID-19 crisis, the crypto sector had a good year. The top cryptocurrencies for the year 2021 are as follows. Bitcoin, the most valuable cryptocurrency by market value, maintained its lead over nearest challenger Ethereum throughout 2021. Prices, on the other hand, changed over the year. On January 1st, it hit a low of $28,803 and soared to $68,789 on November 10. Investors were satisfied even if the gain was only 138%. At the end of December, Bitcoin was worth $46,863. Bitcoin is the most well-known cryptocurrency, and blockchain technology was developed for it. Like the US dollar, a cryptocurrency is a digital means of exchange that manages the generation of monetary units and authenticates the transfer of funds using encryption techniques. Ethereum. Ether, ETH, is a cryptocurrency that may be used for various purposes on the Ethereum network. It is the only authorized method of transaction fee payment, and it is also necessary to validate and propose blocks on mainnet after the merge. Ether is also used as a form of collateral in DeFi loan markets, as a unit of account in NFT marketplaces, and as payment for services or the sale of physical items, among other things. Developers can use Ethereum to create decentralized applications, dApps, that share computational resources. Because the number of people who can utilize this shared pool is limited, Ethereum needs to decide who gets to use it. Otherwise, a dApp might purposefully or mistakenly consume all network resources, preventing others from using it. Tether, USDT. It is a blockchain-based cryptocurrency whose units are backed by an equivalent quantity of US dollars, making it a stable coin with a price tied to US dollars 1. Regular fiat money such as the dollar, euro, or Japanese yen is tracked by cryptos and kept in a banking scheme. Tether tokens, established by the crypto exchange Bitfinex and traded under the USDT symbol, are the tethered system's native tokens. As of October 2021, the USDT is the fifth largest currency by market capitalization, with a value of more than $68 billion. Solana. Solana is the world's most potent blockchain and cryptocurrency ecosystem, with over 400 projects spanning DeFi, NFTs, Web3, and more. Solana is a public blockchain that allows for decentralized and scalable apps. Solana can process significantly more transactions per second and has substantially lower transaction fees than competing blockchains like Ethereum. Cardano. It is a blockchain-based platform for young leaders, entrepreneurs, and pioneers, giving the tools and technology required to create opportunity for the many and the few, and to effect positive global change. Cardano's most prevalent uses are identity and access management, and traceability. The former tool helps streamline and simplify activities that require data collection from several sources. XRP. XRP is a digital technology and payment processing company founded by some of the same people that founded Ripple. It can be used on the network to facilitate the exchange of various currencies, including fiat currencies and major cryptocurrencies. The price of XRP was $0.006 at the start of 2017. On January 3, 2022, its price had risen to 83 cents, a gain of more than 13,700%. Terra Luna. It is a stablecoin blockchain payment network that balances two types of cryptocurrencies. Terra USD and other Terra-backed stablecoins have a value that is linked to the value of real currencies. The Terra platform's counterbalance, Luna, is used to energize it and create new Terra stable currencies. The stablecoins of Luna and Terra work together depending on supply and demand. Users are encouraged to burn their Luna to make more Terra stable coins when the price of a stable coin increases above the value of its corresponding currency. Users are recommended to burn their Terra stable coins to make additional Luna when the value of the Luna stablecoin falls below the base currency. As the Terra platforms become more popular, Luna's worth climbs. Luna's price had risen over 14,300% since January 3, 2021, when it was 64 cents to $92.64 a year later. Polkadots. It aims to bring them together by building a cryptocurrency network that connects the many blockchains and allows them to communicate. Since Polkadot's inception in 2020, this integration has sparked tremendous growth, and it has the potential to change the way cryptocurrencies are maintained. Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, SHIB, was the self-proclaimed Dogecoin killer in 2021, with a 43 million % price increase from January to December. At the start of the year, it was worth $0.0000000000077 At the time, many individuals were uninterested in the currency. However, a revival in May gave Shiba Inu a much-needed lift, maintaining its position. In October, the money hit an all-time high of $0.00008616 and a market capitalization of $40 billion. At the end of December, Shiba was trading at $0.00003407. AXS. At the start of 2021, AXS was trading at $0.53. In June, the utility currency gained traction as the focus switched to the gaming industry. Axie Infinity, a Pokemon-inspired play-to-earn metaverse game built on the Ethereum blockchain, peaked at $164 in November before falling to $94.90 today. During the year, its value increased by 12,022%. Stellar. The Lumen is Stellar's native cryptocurrency, XLM. Stellar is an open network for holding and moving money, allowing users to generate, send, and trade digital currency. It's made to sell and trade all digital currencies, not only Stellar's Lumen. However, you need some Lumen to make trades. US dollar coin. The world's digital dollar, according to USD Coin, USDC was created by Circle, a worldwide financial corporation that has received funding from Goldman Sachs, Baidu, and IDG Capital, among others. USD's coin price is linked to the US dollar, making it far more stable than other cryptocurrencies. This stability makes it more suitable for digital payments, while other cryptocurrencies have a higher potential for growth as investments, along with more risk of losing value, of course. Dollar coin. USD coin, abbreviated as USDC, is a stable coin linked to the US dollar in a 1-to-1 ratio. This cryptocurrency is backed by a $1 reserve held in cash and short-term US Treasury bonds for each unit in circulation. In September 2018, the stable coin was the first distributed on a modest scale. Monero. Bitcoin turned out to be a lot of things that society had anticipated. Its best use in the dark is usually untraceable, has monetary value, and can be made on home computers invisibly. Litecoin. One of the first altcoins, Litecoin was launched in 2011. The Litecoin network generates new blocks every 2.5 minutes, 4 times faster than the Bitcoin network, which produces them every 10 minutes. Litecoin, according to Charles Lee, was created to complement rather than replace Bitcoin. The price of Litecoin increased in 2019 as it approached a halving. When cryptocurrencies were at their pinnacle in 2017, Charles Lee dumped his holdings. Chainlink. The blockchain network of Chainlink integrates real-world data to smart contracts. The Link cryptocurrency, developed by the firm, is used to fund novel contract transactions. As previously stated, smart contracts are blockchain agreements that are automatically performed after all preconditions are met. Outside data sources are referred to as oracles in Bitcoin markets. A chainlink is a mechanism that allows the blockchain to communicate with external data sources. Polygon Matic. Polygon Matic is worth Rs 134,049 crore on the stock exchange. Polygon Matic is the Polygon network's native cryptocurrency. Established in 2017, the Polygon network, formerly known as the Matic network, enables developers to quickly create and deploy Ethereum-compatible blockchains and exchange data and tokens with other Ethereum-based projects via the Matic sidechain. It's still one of the most misunderstood cryptos and is not an accessible blockchain to grasp. To grasp the Polygon ecosystem and Matic's relevance, one must first get the Ethereum network. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, is a cryptocurrency that BCH. Because it is one of the earliest and most successful hard forks of the original Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, occupies an important place in the history of altcoins. A split occurs in the Bitcoin sector due to disagreements and debates between developers and miners. Because of the decentralized nature of digital currencies, substantial changes to the code underpinning the token or coin in question require widespread consensus. The mechanism for this process varies with every cryptocurrency. NEO. Nia de Hongfei and Eric Zhan founded AntShares in China in 2014, and it was rebranded as NEO in June 2017. It's a blockchain-based platform with its coin and the ability to create digital assets and smart contracts. It is similar to the Ethereum blockchain network, situated in the United States. NEO seeks to leverage smart contracts to automate the management of digital assets, with the ultimate goal of creating a distributed network-based innovative economy system. Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic (ETC) preserves the Ethereum network's original unadulterated history. After a hack in 2016, the new Ethereum network, ETH, was developed. The number of daily active users of ETH vastly outnumbered that of ETC, with about 1 million versus tens of thousands. The Ethereum Classic network has also been subjected to 51% attacks, implying less security. While it lacked any distinguishing features, Ethereum Classic witnessed a rebirth in 2021, with speculation that it may resurface if Ethereum, or ETH, shifts to a proof-of-stake protocol rather than the more standard proof-of-work model. Because the cryptocurrency market is still in its early stages, anyone considering investing in these digital assets should not risk more than they can afford to lose. The volatility of cryptocurrency assets can be severe, with prices moving dramatically even within a single day. Individual investors may also be trading against highly skilled competitors, which can be a frightening experience for novice investors. Now, if you want to sink your teeth into more crypto topics, then check out our playlists on screen now.